Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a hyperlink in Android or on your mobile device. Now all you have to do now, you can open a Google Docs. Let's try make a hyperlink with a Google Docs. And here we go. This is for example. Let's start typing something, anything that you want. And this is for example. So now you can block this text. Then as you can see, there are divine, cut, copy, paste, and tap two dots. Now you can scroll down, and here we go. There is insert link option. Now you can tap insert link. Now here we go. You can try to give this link on here. You can copy paste, like for example Wikipedia here, and this is the text, and tap the check button, and here we go. The text going blue and there is a underline. It means your hyperlink is done. So you can click, then open your hyperlink, and here we go. This is the Wikipedia website. So let's try again. Let's open the Google Docs. Then let's type something like a dragon. Now you can hold the text and tap two dot. Then you can select insert link. Now here we go. You can fill this link by your URL address or website link. And this is for example. Again, let's try with a Britannica. Then check this button. Then let's tap the dragon itself. Then here we go. You can even remove the link, or you can edit the link and add emoji reaction. Let's open the link first. And here we go. This is dragon in Britannica websites. Feel free to try to create a hyperlink in mobile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.